What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love discovering innovative gadgets that solve everyday problems like turning your bathroom into a spa, your kitchen into a smart cafe, or your living room into a workshop, then you're in the right place. We've got some seriously clever finds for you today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss out. All the links to check out these products for yourself are down in the description. Now, let's take a look at the first game changer. First up is the CAREKING 2-in-1 Detachable Percussion Massage Gun. This is a seriously versatile muscle recovery tool. Its standout feature is a detachable extension handle that lets you easily target hard-to-reach areas like your lower back and shoulders. Remove the handle, and it becomes a compact, powerful massage gun, perfect for your arms and legs. It comes with multiple, interchangeable heads for different types of relief, making it a comprehensive solution for deep tissue massage at home. To revolutionize small space cooking, the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer is a brilliant and versatile system. It's built around a powerful compact pod that air fries, reheats, dehydrates, and bakes. It comes with 2 glass containers, a 6-cup personal size and a 4-quart family size that are safe for the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. This all-in-one design lets you cook, store, and reheat in the same container, delivering restaurant-quality crispiness with unmatched convenience for any kitchen. Next, for a major kitchen upgrade, the YOYDS Cold Press Juicer. This machine is all about speed and quality, thanks to its massive 5.5-inch wide feed chute. You can throw in whole apples, carrots, and cucumbers without any chopping. It uses a slow masticating system that preserves nutrients and extracts a remarkably high yield of juice. The parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup as effortless as your morning routine. For turning your bathroom into a personal spa, the SereneLife Bubble Bath Mat is the ultimate luxury. This cushioned mat lays in your tub and generates thousands of adjustable bubbles for a full body massage. You control the intensity wirelessly with a remote, and it even includes a built-in diffuser for your favorite essential oils. With a non-slip, waterproof design and an automatic shutoff for safety, it's the perfect way to unwind after a long day. Next, for a foolproof kitchen essential, the KitchenAid grain and rice cooker is pure innovation. It features a built-in scale that automatically senses the amount of rice or grains you add, then calculates and dispenses the perfect amount of water from its integrated tank. With 21 preset options for everything from quinoa and farro to steel-cut oats, it takes all the guesswork out of cooking. It even includes a steamer basket, making it possible to prepare a complete, healthy meal with the touch of a button. To set the perfect mood for any outdoor gathering, the Vanten LED Flame Bluetooth speakers are a stunning choice. These portable speakers do more than just play music with 360-degree stereo sound. They feature a realistic dancing LED flame that creates an incredible ambiance for your patio or garden. They're waterproof, connect via Bluetooth 5.0, and can pair together for true wireless stereo, making them both a decorative centerpiece and a powerful audio system. For a modern and data-driven workout, check out the RENPHO Smart Jump Rope. This isn't your average jump rope. It connects to a dedicated app that tracks your jumps, calories burned, and workout time, storing all your data to show your progress. The rope is tangle-free and adjustable, and the handle features a clear digital display. With 3 different workout modes, it's designed to make your cardio sessions more efficient, effective, and engaging. A must-have for any cruise vacation or small space, the CruiSeaU Magnetic Cruise Fan. This clever fan has an incredibly strong magnetic base that allows it to securely stick to metal ceilings or walls, saving precious counter space in your cabin. It's powered by a huge 8,000 mAh battery that runs for up to 44 hours and can even be used as a power bank to charge your phone. With a 360-degree tilt head and 3 speeds, it provides the perfect, adjustable breeze wherever you need it. For iPhone videographers wanting professional control, the JJC 67mm Magnetic ND Filter Kit is a game-changer. This set includes a stretchable magnetic adapter that fits right over your iPhone's camera, letting you attach a pro-grade variable ND filter. This filter allows you to smoothly adjust the amount of light entering the lens, which is essential for achieving that cinematic motion blur and perfect exposure in bright sunlight. It also features a standard 1/4-inch screw and cold shoe mount, letting you easily attach a microphone or light for a complete mobile filmmaking setup. For DIY enthusiasts and crafters, the HARDELL cordless rotary tool is a versatile powerhouse. This compact tool is completely cordless, powered by a long-lasting battery, and offers 5 adjustable speeds up to 35,000 RPM for a wide range of tasks. It comes with 80 different accessories, making it perfect for detailed work like sanding, carving, polishing, drilling, and cutting. Its comfortable grip and clear display screen make it easy to handle, turning complex projects into simple, enjoyable work. To cut the cord and organize your nightstand, the Acer 3-in-1 magnetic charging station is the perfect solution. This sleek foldable station wirelessly charges your iPhone at full 15-watt MagSafe speed, powers up your Apple Watch, and refuels your AirPods all at the same time. Its compact, portable design makes it ideal for travel, and it features built-in safety protection against overheating. It's the ultimate all-in-one charging hub that declutters your space while keeping your essential devices ready to go. For the ultimate coffee connoisseur on the go, the WACACO Picopresso portable espresso maker is a masterpiece of engineering. This compact, manually operated machine produces a truly professional, cafe-quality shot of espresso with rich crema anywhere you are. It uses an 18-gram commercial-grade basket compatible with ultra-fine grind coffee, just like a high-end machine. Its all-metal construction and included protective case make it the perfect travel companion for uncompromising taste, no matter the destination. For makers and model builders, the HOZO NeoBlade wireless ultrasonic cutter is a revolutionary tool. This is the world's smallest, fully cordless cutter that uses 40 kHz ultrasonic vibration to slice through materials like wood, leather, and carbon fiber with incredible ease and precision. Its intelligent system auto-adjusts power to prevent overheating, and it features a turbo cooling fan for clean cuts. With 6 interchangeable blades, a lightweight design, and a replaceable battery, it's designed for intricate, detailed work in any workshop. For anyone tackling tough jobs on their knees, the REXBETI heavy-duty knee pads are built for serious protection and comfort. These pads feature an extra-thick gel and foam cushion to absorb impact, combined with a durable PVC outer shell that guards against sharp objects. Their strong, stretchable straps and thigh support system ensure they stay securely in place during demanding activities like flooring, construction, or gardening, providing reliable support through your entire project. For the ultimate hands-free helper on any project, the REXBETI Magnetic Wristband is a brilliantly simple tool. This rugged wristband is embedded with 10 powerful magnets, letting you securely hold screws, nails, drill bits, and other metal hardware right at your fingertips. It's fully adjustable, comfortable to wear, and can also be strapped to your belt or hung up. It's the perfect gift for any DIYer, mechanic, or carpenter looking to save time and avoid dropped fasteners. To transform any room into a dynamic, personalized space, the TISOFU Hexagon RGB wall panels are the ultimate smart lighting upgrade. These modular LED tiles snap together magnetically, allowing you to create endless shapes and designs on your wall. You control millions of colors and lighting effects directly from a smartphone app, and they can sync to the rhythm of your music or games. With their even, soft light and sleek design, they're perfect for setting the perfect mood in a gaming room, bedroom, or living area. For moving large, heavy materials with incredible ease, the SeESII heavy-duty suction cup lifters are a game-changing tool. This set of 2 industrial-grade 8-inch cups uses a manual vacuum pump to create a powerful seal, capable of lifting up to 200 kilograms or 440 pounds each. They securely grip smooth surfaces like glass, tile, granite, or metal, making the installation of large-format tiles, windows, or countertops much safer and a one-person job. Their safety indicator provides clear visual confirmation for a secure hold. For fresh, homegrown herbs and vegetables year-round, the AeroGarden Harvest Light is a beautiful and foolproof solution. This compact hydroponic garden allows you to grow up to 6 plants indoors at once, with no soil and no natural sunlight required. It features an integrated LED grow light and a simple alert system that tells you exactly when to add water and nutrients. Perfect for any kitchen counter, it makes gardening effortless and brings the taste of just picked ingredients right to your fingertips. For compact living spaces, the OurTech portable twin tub washing machine brings full laundry convenience anywhere. 2. This semi-automatic unit features 2 separate tubs, a washer for up to 18 pounds of clothes, and a powerful spinner to extract water. Its compact rolling design fits easily into apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs, and it operates on a standard outlet with no permanent plumbing required. It's the ideal solution for keeping up with laundry without the need for a full-size machine or a trip to the laundromat. For instant spa luxury in your own tub, the Conair Jet Hydro Spa transforms an ordinary bath into a relaxing therapeutic experience. This portable unit uses powerful dual hydrojets to deliver a targeted, invigorating massage to specific muscles. You can choose between soothing bubbles, invigorating jets, or a combination of both. With adjustable suction cups to fit any standard tub and a long safety cord, it's an easy way to prioritize relaxation and turn your bathroom into a personal wellness retreat. And that wraps up our look at today's incredible lineup of tech gadgets. From tools that make DIY projects a breeze to smart home devices that add convenience and luxury, we've covered a huge range of innovations designed to upgrade your daily life. We hope you found the perfect gadget to solve a problem or spark a new hobby. Remember, for your convenience, direct links to every single product we featured are waiting for you down in the video description. If you enjoyed this roundup, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which gadget was your absolute favorite or what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.